G'day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. Today we're looking at a straight razor, but not just any straight razor. This is a straight razor by Rough Rider. And I need that thing. There we go. Focus. RR1715. Okay, and then it doesn't show anything else. Now, this is not your, and of course, I got mine from Pickled Steel. Now, it's this thing. This apocalyptic looking straight razor. Full metal construction. Beautiful over there. And then we have this beautiful straight razor, stone washed blade.